What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today we have got your art therapy session sorted out for this evening, and also we have our motivational quote for the week for you. This week we are going to be going through the 6 successful tips that I recently saw and heard on YouTube by the Terminator himself. So these are the 6 rules to success by Mr. Arnold Schwarzenegger. That's coming up at the end of the show. So what we were waiting for? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone? Hope we have had a good week and good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist. I upload art therapy videos on a Wednesday and on a Tuesday. Zentangle patterns on a Tuesday and mandala drawings on a Wednesday. If that is something you'd like to do and like to watch and want to know how to do, check out those videos. Links are in the description below. Not only that, I also create designs and publish my own books as well. These books you can find on my Amazon store, ranging from notebooks, colouring books, and also how to draw mandala books and a art and a motivational mood tracker diary. I also upload designs and text designs onto my Redbubble store. These range from all sorts of niches, going from people who love cats, dogs, sports. There's lots of the Olympic flags on there at the moment, which are doing very well. And recently I have started to do my Christmas and Halloween designs on there too. So if you want to be getting in there nice and early, check out those designs. They're all up. I'm just working through all the other designs at the moment for my Christmas designs. They should all be up there at probably by the end of the week. But there's lots on there to look for at the moment. I know we're only in August, and you're probably thinking, oh my God, what the hell is he doing talking about Christmas and Halloween for? But before you know it, it's going to be up on us. It is. So check them out and save those designs. So you never know when you might be wanting those closer to the time. But yes, let's move on to today's art therapy session. Today we are going to be drawing this very cool square pattern here. Nice repeated designs. All you're going to need is your pen, pencil, and a piece of paper. Or if you have the Mood Tracker Diary, you can be following along into that book as well with this design too. So what were you all waiting for? Let's roll the video. how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a like if you did, and don't if you didn't. So yes, let's move on to today's quote of the week. Not more or less a quote, but pretty much a helpful tip for you guys. And here is the 6 tips to success. First one being your vision. You need to have a vision. I've gone through this before many a times with you. You need to have that vision to succeed. You need to have that goal set in your mind if you are dreaming of something to accomplish and to do, whether it's your business or work that you're doing at the moment, or any exams, anything like that. Have that vision of what you want at the end of it. Have that goal, have that thought of what you want to achieve to. Be that person that is way ahead of you, that person that's in the future, that's already accomplished it, and you want to be chasing that person and try and catch that person. And then when you do finally catch that person, you're going to have another person that's going to be even ahead of that person as well. So what you want to be doing is having that vision, but you always want to be trying to catch that person. You never, once you do catch him, have that other vision of being even further. Keep on pushing yourself and keep on pushing yourself to that vision, and you will succeed in that way. Number 2, don't listen to the naysayers. That's another one that I have spoken about. Don't listen to the people that are going to be putting you down. There's going to be plenty of people out there, friends, family, that are going to be telling you don't do that. You're going to be wasting your life if you carry on doing this sort of thing. You know, especially, you know, whatever you may be doing, whether it is art, whether it's doing something online, creating your own business, starting something up from scratch. It's going to be tough. It's going to be hard. People are going to be coming at you, and they're going to be saying all sorts of things to try and put you off. Don't think about that. That is not your vision. That's not their vision. Their vision is not going to be what you are wanting to do. You have your own vision. You have your own dreams. Forget about what people will be saying to you. Forget about the naysayers. You want to put that thought out of your head. Fortunately, sometimes when you are creating your own business, you are going to be left on your own to do it. You're going to lose many friends. You're going to lose many people you will going through this. But at the end of the day, you've got to stay strong in yourself, and you've got to believe in yourself that you will get through it and accomplish anything you will put your mind to. Number 3, work your ass off. Exactly that. Put in the time, put in the work. Now, I'm not telling you to do, you know, to go out of it and just keep on working, which is kind of like what I am doing at the moment. I tend to do a 9 till 10 shift of work every day. So on a Monday to Thursday, I'll be working from home 9 till 10. And then on a Friday, Saturday and Sunday, I'll be in the salon from 9 o'clock until about 6. But then as soon as I get home from work, I'll be on the computer. I'll be designing something up until about 10 o'clock. I'll pretty much do this 7 days a week. I'm not telling you to do that. It's not healthy for what I am doing. But for me personally, I don't mind doing it. I have that dream of what I want to do. I want to make the art show. I want to make this art business as big as possible. I'm going to be going for everything I possibly can. I'm not going to be giving up on anything. I'm doing quite well in any of the stuff that I have been putting my mind to, and I'm going to achieve everything that I am possibly wanting to achieve, wanting to do, wanting to get to. I'm chasing that person myself. Once I get to that person, I'm going to be having another vision. I've got lots of ideas of what I want to be doing, and that is how I'm going to be achieving any of my goals. Putting in the work, putting in the time, grinding as much as you can, getting to bed early, trying to get as much sleep as you can, trying to get trying to get at least 6 to 8 hours sleep a night, waking up nice and early and getting down to some work, putting your mind to it and going for that dream. Number 4, advertise. Once you have done the job, once you have done what you wanted to do, majority of the time you'll be working in silence and working in secret. Once you have done what you wanted to do, show the world, show it off to the social media world, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you want to be putting your stuff out. Tell the world what you are doing, what you have done, and show it off. Be proud of what you have done and the accomplishment that you have achieved. Number 5, fail and get back up again. When you do fail in anything, get back up and carry on doing of what you wanted to do. We're all going to fail. Every person that's ever accomplished anything will fail at something, will fail. Unfortunately, you will fail at whatever you may be trying to do, but don't let that deter you. Get back up, push through it, get back up and accomplish that goal of yours. We're all going to go through it. I've failed many times in lots of things, but you know what? I've got myself back up again, brushed myself off and carried on with it. Especially with this art job, with this art business as well. There's been plenty of times, especially when I was going through at the beginning of it with my Redbubble and my book stages. There was months before I made any sales at all, and it was demotivating. It was, you know, I didn't want to be doing it anymore. I wanted to give it up. I was like, you know, this ain't for me. You know, no one's looking at my work. No one's buying any of my stuff. I'm putting all this work out. I'd got to about 200 designs and I still had not made a sale, but I still pushed through. I still created designs, still uploaded them, carried on doing it, pushed my way through it, and eventually I did start to make a few sales. Once you start hitting those sales and they start coming in, it's going to motivate you to create more and more designs. But at the beginning stages of it, when you're not getting any sales at all through books and you're putting in all that hard work, you are going to think to yourself, I don't want to be doing this no more. Eradicate that thought, push through it, get through the pain of it, and things will start to happen for you. So when you do fail, get back up and get through it. You can do it. You know you can. And number 6, the final one, help your fellow humans. Once you have accomplished whatever you're wanting to do, give back to the community. It's the community and it's the people that probably got you to where you are. They probably helped you along the way, whether it was, you know, something on social media or maybe a friend or a person that you reached out to. Give back to the community of what you accomplished. You know, it's always a fulfilling thing to do. Once you have got to the stages where you are, give back to them, teach those people whatever lessons you taught, you learned along the way, and you will find yourself feeling that bit more gratitude towards it as well. So give back to the community. I mean, that's what I am planning on doing as well. Since I'm doing all this art sort of stuff, I want to be giving back to the community. I want to be doing more workshops, helping people out and helping people out with their motivations, being positive, the positivity side to it, with the mental health side to it. Only because as well, through the downsides and the troubles that I went through as well, that's why I started to create these art therapy videos. It's because it was the art and the Zentangle patterns and the mandala drawings that what got me through my troubled times, my dark times. And at the end of the day, that's why I started to do the art therapy videos, put them out on my Zentangle ones, put them out on a Wednesday and a Tuesday, because at the end of the day, from what I went through, I didn't want to see anyone else going through that pain and that suffering as well. So hopefully somebody will see these videos, and along the ways it will help them just like how it helped me too. So the 6th and final one is give back to the community that built you up. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.